Are you having trouble with changing your Android's hotspot name? Then this might be the perfect video for you. So first of all, go to the notification bar and scroll it down and turn on the mobile hotspot. And after that, click on the mobile hotspot and it will open your settings. And as you can see, here's a network name and you can just simply click on it and change it to whatever name you want to keep it. So if I click here, so if I write here free, then this will appear as free on others' phone. This is the most easy and convenient way to do this, and you can also click on QR code if it is available on your phone. Then other person can scan from their camera or lenses to easily connect to your hotspot. Also, you have the option to share and save it as image for future uses. And yeah, that's it. This is how you change your Android's hotspot name. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe to this channel.